morning, everybody. Welcome to the show. Just a quick tip this morning about repairing your water hose. See here we have a piece water hose that has slight damage to it. So we're going to cut it off, replace the ends, and show you what I bought and how I did it, and any recommendations moving forward. Use a razor knife, screwdriver. Like to use some garage door lube in case it's a little tight going in. Maybe impact, possibly drill the reaming out. Fast, a file, might need it. And worst case scenario, a little fire. Gets things melted, moving around, maybe easier to slide in. So I'll bring it a little bit closer and I'll show you what I'm going to be doing today. Okay, as you see here, I have this little short piece of hose here that I've cut off, just mainly for a coupler to use on certain things, different spray nozzles or attachments for my water hose. Female one side, male on the other. I'm gonna get a little nick right here, so I'll take the knife here, cut it out all the way around. I do recommend a sharper knife. Okay, once I have that end off, I'm going to clean it up a little bit. Make it nice, square. There we go. See there, nice and square. For now, I'm going to put this to the side. You can see here various attachments, not attachments, but ends I bought to potentially use in the future. So that's how they come. I'll put the link below, show you what exactly I ordered off of Amazon. Hey, got some extra gaskets or rings, shut off valves, nozzle. There we go. Make sure it is different. You also want to make sure you put your hose clamp on. Slide that right on there. And as you can tell, that might be a tight fit. But we'll try without any additional help at first. So a cool morning this morning. Look there, it's starting to go. Another thing you do is, if you have something a little bit larger, maybe to screw it into, something that can fit in the palm of your hand nice. Use it to push in there. And if you can't get it to go, maybe a little bit of spray. Or you can even take your knife and maybe bevel the inside a little bit. Or you drill. You drill the inside out a little bit. You see that? And as I said a while ago, you could heat this up. I don't think it's going to be necessary for this project. We'll play fire another day. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take this here. Just a little bit on the end. Maybe drip it off. I won't get everywhere. Take it here between the drill and a little bit of garage door lube there. I bet I can get it to go in. Look at there. Just work it back and forth. Every little twist. for the sakes of the microphone here, I'm going to go ahead and tighten this one up here on the opposite end. And the one that's going to slide all the way down and go on the one end we're working on, which just tighten it up so it won't be moving right and around as much. Just continue to work, twist that in all the way down. As you can see, on this particular model or brand, let me get a hose clamp here. There's a little groove right here. And once you get that hose past that groove, this hose clamp will go right over about that groove. And that difference in the pressure, with the pressure of this hose clamp, is going to seal that off. And I'll show you a few examples of other ones I've tried, and this just haven't worked as well. They're definitely prettier, but this way is definitely the way to go. So as you see, we're past that point, but I'm going to work on it a little bit more. We're touching right there, a little bit right there. We'll loosen this hose clamp back up. Remember, I just only had it there. Keep the rattle down. Oh, we need a little bit more. And I like to keep things about the same in line. Some call it OCD, some just call it good workmanship. There we go. See how snug it is with this? And there you are. One repair made. I do notice here this one that I did tighten up temporarily. It's not where it needs to be. There we go. And there's that OCD again. Now, it's the same for either side. They both have the little groove in it. They both have the hose clamps. You can bevel it out, drill it out, file if we needed to, although the file I have is a little large. And if you really have to, wear some gloves and put some heat on it. Just slide right on like butter there. Here's another tip I'd like to give you, is this Hayward Formula 327 multi-lube. And I use this on my pool O-rings and gaskets, seals and valves. But I'll take this. What I do with it is I'll put a little bit, a dab would do it, on these threads. And whatever I have excess, I put it on the O-ring of what's going on there. And so now, when I go take that off, it won't be stuck. And look here. And all I've done here was a separate purchase of a nozzle, shut-off valve, ends, the O-rings, any type of little lube, and there you are. One repair of a water hose made. Well, thanks for joining us on JB HD, and come back and visit us sometimes when you may have other questions about other projects I may be working on. If you liked the video, hit like. If you really liked the video and our other videos, hit subscribe. But until next time, you have a great day.